Are you a small business owner looking for insurance, but unsure which provider to trust? You won't believe what happens next when you look at Dairyland Insurance. Here's my honest experience. Dairyland is known for offering specialized insurance for businesses, particularly in the trucking and auto industries. When I explored their business insurance options, I found coverage for liability, commercial auto, and property protection. This makes it easier to bundle policies, which can save both time and money. One thing that stood out is their customizable policies. You can tailor coverage based on your business type and risk level. For example, a small logistics company can select liability limits that match fleet size and cargo type, which is not always possible with generic insurance providers. The application process is straightforward. Online quotes are fast, and you can manage policies through their customer portal. Claims processing is reported as quick and transparent, which is a huge relief for business owners who need peace of mind during stressful situations. However, there are some limitations. Dairyland specializes in certain industries, so if your business doesn't fit their target areas, options may be limited. Also, while their pricing is competitive, it can be higher for niche or high-risk businesses. In summary, Dairyland Insurance is a strong option for small to medium-sized businesses in their covered industries. They offer customizable coverage, simple management, and responsive customer service. If your business fits, it's worth considering, but always compare quotes to ensure you are getting the best value. Subscribe for more honest insurance reviews and tips to protect your business effectively.